Hello, it's Chris here with Boston Jet Wash again. We've got a lovely job for today. It's block paving driveway and a patio. It's pretty mossy in some places. It's just filthy. I think it's just covered with dirt and grime as well. So it should be a really good one to clean. Let's do a little walkthrough. Okay, so here is the start of the drive. There's a lot of white lichen, black lichen. I think that might be an oil patch, which I carry the chemicals to be able to remove that, so hopefully we'll get rid of it. But you can see there's a little bit of cement stuck onto the blocks, which we should be able to remove. Has a really shady area here near the front door. Quite a few weeds, a lot of lichen. As you can see in like these parts, they're just covered with lichen. But we are treating it with chemical today, so we should be able to remove all of those. And now let's have a look around the back patio. So the driveway comes all the way through here, where there's a lot more weeds, especially in this shady area down the side here. But if you've watched my last video, you know we can deal with the weeds. So yeah, it opens up onto this patio here, comes around the back. I've set up just here, made a right mess, and we'll get rid of that. So yeah, should be a cracking job. Let's get started. Now, I was going to edge all of this out the back here, and then I was going to clean this whole area and then move on to the front. But because it's so hot today, I think it's 26 degrees, I really am struggling in these waterproofs. And I think if I just move to the front, get all the edging done, I can take these off and I can use the flat surface cleaner without getting too wet and too filthy. So come on, let's go get the front. Let's get out of these overalls and get the flat surface cleaner on. I can't wait, I'm so sweaty. So it's the next day now. Just come back to resand this driveway. It's only 21 degrees today, which is a hell of a lot nicer than the 24, 25 it was yesterday. There's a few silt patches that we can see on the drive, just where the water stood, and I couldn't get it to drain anywhere. So I'm going to clean them up now and then get this all resanded. Let's go. Okay, maybe I lied. It's 24 degrees. The hydration is key. Right, anyway, back to sanding. I remembered my bigger dustpan this time. Jobs are good. But yeah, here's the older patio. Now I didn't know this, but the customer actually told me yesterday that it was reclaimed when they laid it, and that was about 15 years ago, I think she said. So yeah, it's come up really nice. I mean, the blocks, as you can probably see, they're really porous. They've completely lost their face compared to like these, which is the same type of block. You can see they're cracked in places. Yeah, it's come out really nice, really happy with it. All this area down the side here never really gets any sun. It's always in the shade, and it was covered in black spot, but most of it's gone. Really happy with how it looks, and yeah, chuffed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate all your support. Just hit 600 subscribers, which is incredible. If you have any suggestions, comments, questions or anything like that, drop them down below and I'll try to reply to every single one. So have a great day. Thanks.